I feel nervous. Today my dogs Bonsai and Berkeley got an opportunity to pull a real dog sled with real sled dogs. My dogs are bird dogs. They're not exactly made for this, but because they're in such good shape, my friend Dean invited them to join his team. The first thing that happened was they were introduced to the total chaos that is the dog lot before a run. Bonsai was extremely confused. But once we started running, he seems to get the gist of what was going on.
There we go.
Good boys!
The first mile of our trail is the most dangerous because of the road crossing. So Dean hooked his snow machine up to the back of the sled so I could jump off and go check the road. I waved the team across and Dean slowed the sled down with his snow machine, and then I jumped back on as it was going by.
Dude, they look good. Yeah.
A few hundred yards later, Dean stopped to talk to us about how the dogs were doing, and we were surprised by what he said.
Caboose!
This is sweet. I wish I could look at you.
Miles, you know.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I just clear my area.
Okay. All right. I'll give you a call then.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
See ya. Bonsai and Berkeley are doing so good that Dean said, just go ahead and call me when you get back to the house. He thinks they can do the full 20-mile loop. I don't know about that. We'll see how it goes, but they're doing really good so far.
We're going fast. Bonsai always wants to go the wrong way.
I think he's following.
Ow!
This is really cool. I got Brittany with me to show you. And our dogs on the sled, they're doing so good. Whoa.
Ah!
Hold on tight.
They keep kicking ice into my face.
One thing we noticed right away is that my dog's feet stick together, where the sled dogs have a nice even trot where all four legs move individually. The bird dog's back feet stick together. This is called a lope, and it is less efficient than a trot. So after about 4 miles, we decided to give them a break to see if they would rest up and then maybe adjust their gait.
Hi, Bubs. You're doing good, boy. Good dogs. I'm gonna show you all the dogs. In lead, we have Lobo and Tenzing. Hi, Tenzing. In swing, we have Winter and Walrus. In the pack, we have Lakba. Then we have Bonsai, yes, and Berkeley's. And at wheel, we have Honnold. Oh, ooh. Ready to get going.
All right.
Oh,
let's go.
and Ben.
Before they break this tree, let's get out of here. It's going good. We're probably 4 miles into the trail right now. Still going super smooth. Occasionally my dogs slackline a little bit, which means they're not pulling. But I don't think it's because they're out of breath. I think maybe they just don't quite understand. But right now they're pulling hard, just as hard as everybody else.
What'd you think, Berkeley's? Huh? Did you have fun? Are you tired now? No, my handsome dog.
I was very pleasantly surprised with how well my dogs did. We did about 9 miles, and when we got back, Bonsai and Berkeley were still ready to go. Typically, when we do a sled dog ride, we do about 22 miles. I didn't want to push it on my dog's first try because I know that it's not only going to be physically exhausting for them, but also mentally exhausting. And I'll bring them back next Thursday to try and do 20 miles. My dogs are called Large Munsterlanders, which are a type of versatile bird dog. And I'd say that they're even a little bit more versatile than I originally thought.